manje. Ziyakhala manje.
Nama virgin angaki to understand ukuthi virginity injani.
Okay.
Because as a man,
yabo nje manje ukukhombisa something ukuthi
I'm done. Sonke sikhule, we're being told certain things. And Mrs. Kulile, when we read and we interact with people, we realize, oh, wait, this is wrong. This is this way. Let me learn this. Let me understand this. This is why women end up dead. It's ideologies like these, where you think a woman must bleed. Then you know they're a virgin. A woman must have a hymen. Then they're a virgin. But when a woman tells you they are a virgin, that you don't want to believe. That you don't want to believe. You want to go and test a person's virginity, but you don't even know what virginity is. I hate when men want to discuss a body of a woman when you don't even know what makes up a body of a woman. It's the same thing where men want to leave women because they can't give them a son. A woman doesn't control the gender of the baby. You as the man control the gender of the baby. But you'll want to blame every small, minute little thing on women because you lack understanding. Then you're going to scream from the top of your lungs and pretend like men have written the playbook, yet you can't even read literature. You can't even take the time to Google, yet you have a phone in your hand. So yes, any single time someone is going to come at me and ask me something about women, I am going to scream from the top of my lungs because I don't believe that in 2025, with so much information, you are still as dumb as you are. So Zemin. And if you talk no laga nalo certain subject matters in your face, you know nagalan. Woman is one of them because niyababulala, niyabashaya because I understand you don't know anything. Atumuntu namhlanje ubusof ibingaqinile shuthi ubulele nomunye umuntu. You don't even know that a vagina is a muscle. And a woman can't control how to contract it or not. Please, man. Where Munanzima, the reason why you are worried about Dodabami is because my ancestors are my ice boy, Baba. Ama ancestors akho wena nzima alandela amanye ama ancestors ama ayise ezulwini noma kuthi uyashisa impepho ngeke akuzwe ngoba busy athunywa eKhawash ezulwini ukuthi ayothenga ama ice ngeke ngikhulume nendoda mina nama ancestors ama ice boy ayisoze nje ayikho into engayisho mina endodeni ama ancestors akho wena kuyimanje atshela ukuthi kune Brian ngolesihlanu waqala umlilo enavuma. So there's nothing as a khuluma ngaleyo nto mina. Ubudoda bami mina bushoti ngoba nginenzipho and because I stand and fight for women. Akukazi nje kwaphela ubudoda bami. Utshela ukuthi wenzeni mawuthi uyindoda okusalayo. Ngithini ngithule nikhulume ngamantombazane nisho noma yini nifuna ukuyisho degrade them. Mina ungakhulumi nami mina mawukuthi mawusashisa impepho ihlukane ibe u2. Ungakhulumi nami. Ungangitsheli ngobudoda bini. Mina ubudoda bami ngibazi from umsamo ukuhlinza imbuzi ukuhlahlela imbuzi all the way to the end. Ungangitsheli mina ngobudoda bami udidwa inzipho namacici nemakeup ozongidakelwa wena. Nifuna ukuthi siqhubeke singanitsheli ukuthi niyadakwa. You're like wanting to degrade women and then stand on the fact that you're like men. You are a man, worry about your body. Let a woman tell you about their body. Let a woman tell you about their experience. And then hide behind uyindoda. So therefore I must say yes even when you're wrong. But one thing I will do is stand 10 toes down for women every day because there's no other explanation. A woman must be a virgin. You don't even know what virginity is. When yourself, you are not a virgin. Ngihambe ngilala nama virgin because ulwana test theories ngihlala ngengane zabantu. Ngihlala emakhoneni niyakhohlisana ningabafani. Niyakhohlisana. Why virgin into kanje umsangani. Nonsense. Women are dying on a daily basis because of the lack of education of men. And you want me to agree with you? I'll never agree with a man, Mina. Mina agree with the man because you're a man also. There's no boycott when it comes to another person's reality. I don't mina ngihlangane boycott. Akho boycott mina la ngihlangana nayo. Ngibhekana nama-virgin kodwa anikwazi ngisho nokuwondla lawo ma-virgin aninayo inkomo aninamizi anihlala emakini ney'bongo zenu aninazo nokuba nazo iy'bongo zenu but you wanna tell me about ubudoda bami. Ngiyinduna ubeka kahle impela ngiyinduna yabafazi viva abafazi viva. Uyibeka kahle. You think you are insulting me by calling me nduna yabafazi? I am not insulted, my babes. Let me tell you something. Men are the only species that view women as less than. If kumele ngibe induna yabafazi, oh angibe yiyo, aningi-support ngalutho vele nini. Brand deals, work and everything that I am is nothing brought to me by men. Not a single man has brought me anything on my table. Nothing. Events, work that I do, this life, even a gift, there's probably like 1 or 3 men that support me. Everything that I am, as Dominic Amanda Zata, I am because of women, and therefore I will stand on women. I come from a woman, I was raised by a woman, I go back to women, I cry to women, and women back me up. And guys, all you have done for the past 4 years of my existence is tell me about my manhood that y'all don't even understand. And then all of a sudden you want to stand with you 10 toes down as men because y'all did what? Because you were born with a penis. You are not my man. My man is not what you are. Hambo ba indoda kwakho. Yakho umuzi wakho ube nenkomo zakho. Mina ngineenkomo mina baba esegameni lami eziDominic Amanda zacimele ngikhiphe ngiyoyilusa. Esami isibongo emsama ngisibisa kuma impephe yodwa ithi don't tell me about my manhood. I know ubudoda bami ngibazi kahle. Ungazongitshela ngobudoda bami mina. And if me defending women somehow makes me less of a man, I'd rather be less of a man because that is why I'm non-binary. I never want to associate with anything that is manly, not even one. So insulting me ngokuthi hey women angihlanga nje oh ngisho nakusasa oh mangathola icampaign izongaqhamuka uyindoda oh you come from a woman. Ngaze nje ngikathiwa ngiyasebenza there's a woman that came there's a man engilwelile to get a campaign angaze. Never. You can go through all of my emails, everything that I've ever done comes from women. Azongidakelwa mina hey ngangithinti mina nginomama mina engamuka ehlukunyezwa mina nginosisi mina nginomzala nginabangane ngazongitshela ngobudoda mina ngijahuba amadoda kodwa ninazo ubudoda buyini azongitshela mina ngobudoda kaze nje ayikho nje into hey ngicela ukuniphinela i-comment kaJohn yobuka i-profile picture yakhe bese nabuya niyangitshela ukuthi hawu sebemblockile hawu Joe bengithi ngisazokuphoxa oh bakublocker hawu. So now Zulu men are going to come and attack me on my life. Please, I beg you, try it. One by one, try me. Oh, please try me, my baby. Not on a subject matter that has to deal with women. Not on a subject matter that has to deal with women. Not. Try me on other things. Women, children, LGBTQIA plus community, disabled people. Don't try me on that nonsense. Try me on something else. Hayi ingavala nale live mina ngiyokuthukunye kuvala live vala uTikTok oh soze nje ngizame ngenye into
ziyakhala manje